कलाबुर्गी के लिए एक बड़ी खुशखबरी सामने आई है। करीब 8 महीने बाद कलाबुर्गी बेंगलुरु फ्लाइट सेवा दोबारा शुरू हो गई है। स्टार एयर की इस फ्लाइट सेवा का कलाबुर्गी एयरपोर्ट पर रिबन कटिंग और केक कटिंग के साथ भव्य उद्घाटन किया गया। इस मौके पर कलाबुर्गी नॉर्थ एमएलए कनीज फातिमा, अफजलपुर एमएलए एम.वाई. पाटिल, केकेसीसीआई प्रेसिडेंट शरणा बसप्पा एम. पप्पा, कलाबुर्गी डेप्यूटी कमिश्नर मोहम्मद इकरामुल्ला शरीफ, सिटी पुलिस कमिश्नर डॉक्टर शरणप्पा एसडी, एसपी अड्डूरू श्रीनिवासुलू, एयरपोर्ट डायरेक्टर किशोर किलमपल्ली और स्टार एयर हेड एयरपोर्ट सर्विसेज बोपन्ना सीए मौजूद रहे। मेहमानों ने फ्लाइट सेवा के पुनरारंभ पर खुशी जताते हुए कहा कि इससे कल्याणा कर्नाटका के लोगों, व्यापारियों, स्टूडेंट्स और आईटी प्रोफेशनल्स को बड़ा लाभ मिलेगा। कलाबुर्गी बेंगलुरु फ्लाइट सेवा के दोबारा शुरू होने से क्षेत्र की कनेक्टिविटी और आर्थिक विकास को नई रफ्तार मिलने की उम्मीद है।
This video is sponsored by Mahalakshmi Jewelers, Mannur Multi-Speciality Hospital, KBN University, Royal PU College of Science and Commerce, Imran Silk House, Al Sharia Group of Institutions, and by Ideal with G.
I'm very happy to announce the launch of flight Bangalore Kalburgi to Bangalore. Today load factor is very good. We are carried 95% of load factor from Bangalore to Kalburgi and outgoing of 60% of the load factor. It is a good sign, and thank you for the support of the state government for the relaunching of the flight and support given by the state government. I can say from the Kalyan Karnataka region development has supported to relaunch this flight, and thanks to the state government for this. And loads are good. We are given one of the good timing for Kalburgi. The departure Bangalore at 6:30 and lands at 7:40 here, and departure to Bangalore at 8:10, which will help the people of Kalburgi to reach the meetings or any political people have to travel. So they can make up to the timings there, to the offices, and also help the IT professionals, business people. So that's a good thing about it. About the airline, about the aircraft, I can say we are operating Embraer 170. It is one of the beautiful aircraft. There is no middle seat in it. It's only the window and aisle seat. It flies as fast as the Boeing aircraft. It flies 850 km/h. It flies almost 35,000 feet above the sea level, and one of the quiet aircraft. My message to people of Kalburgi: please experience flying with us, and really love the aircraft. Currently, we are with the fleet of 170, and we are already in contract with Embraer, a company for importing 190 plane. It is a 100-seater plane. One of the aircraft is going to arrive in India by mid of July, and one more aircraft in mid of August. So that's the plan, and we are adding a more aircraft to our fleet. The vision of the company is adding 20 plane to our fleet. The rule says to start international, we need to have a 20 plane. That's the plan. By 2030, we are targeting internationals. So that's the vision of the organization.
This aircraft is how much seated?
The aircraft which today it came in 76-seater with the business class, and we have aircraft 88-seater. The 190, the plane, the new aircraft is going to add a fleet. It will be 100-seater. Any more questions?
Your name?
My name is Bopanna. I am head of airport operations. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Actually, we are very happy that again resuming after 8 months closure, and first flight to Bangalore, and from Bangalore also it is reached on time, and we appreciate Star Air to come forward to operate this flight, and it will be beneficial for all the Kalyana Karnataka region, I think so. Nearby all the districts, they will come here and fly to Bangalore and other areas also. We are anticipating in future more routes to be added to this. So Kalaburgi airport will also flourish. So thank you so much.
This video is sponsored by Mahalakshmi Jewelers, Mannur Multi-Speciality Hospital, KBN University, Royal PU College of Science and Commerce, Imran Silk House, Al Sharia Group of Institutions, and by Ideal with G.